CDC package, concepts, doubts and crash. Empower your Class 12 journey. Unlock your potential with VidyaNest. For Class 12 students aiming for JEE, NEET, and CBSE ICSE board exams, the VidyaNest CDC package is your key to success.
C for Build Your Concepts. Expert faculty, learn from experienced educators. Structured curriculum, comprehensive coverage of critical topics. Interactive learning, engaging lectures and activities. Regular assessments, periodic tests to gauge your progress.
D for Clear Your Doubts. Dedicated sessions, regular doubt clearing sessions with teachers. One-on-one support, personalized attention to address all queries. Online support, access to our online doubt clearing platform. Peer learning groups, collaborate with fellow students.
C for Customized Crash Courses. Tailored courses, customized for JEE, NEET, and board exams. Focused revision, intensive revision on high-yield topics. Mock tests and analysis, regular mock tests with detailed analysis. Time management strategies, learn effective time management techniques.
Why choose VidyaNest? Proven track record, consistently top ranks in JEE, NEET, and board exams. State-of-the-art facilities, modern classrooms with the latest technology. Supportive community, dedicated students and teachers committed to your success.
Enroll now. Visit our website www.vidyanest.com. Call us 9933099990. Email us info@vidyanest.com. Download from Google Play Store VidyaNest. Empower yourself with the right tools and guidance. Choose VidyaNest for a brighter future.